All right, good morning, good morning. 9:24, Friday, July 31st, last day of the month. Going to see Spider-Man today. But yeah, this morning just opened up my charts. Did some quick analysis real quick. Um, I'm bearish, so I would like to see this sell side get taken. Um, I am being considerate of it being Friday, and we had a pretty what's the word? There's been a lot of movement this week, so keeping that in mind. Got our 8:30 open right here. We'll get our midnight open. All right, so I broke down this wick, the daily bearish wick, into quadrants. So I'm seeing how we react on the lower time frames of each quadrant and price. We have this volume imbalance right here. Got that volume imbalance. Um, and there ain't really too much else on the daily that I'm looking at. We got the hourly right here. We do have a 15-minute bearish fair value gap that we just broke above. So I'm still interested in these lows. We still got even equal lows right here. No, it's not equal. Okay. So we still got these lows right here. We're currently above previous day's high. So any short opportunity up in here is good for me. Looking at dollar on a daily, we had this deep discount fair value gap. We just tapped into it yesterday, stayed in through overnight. So I'm hoping to see a bullish fair value gap. I'm at a bullish price action to start going towards buy side. But considering it is Friday, um, anything could happen. So just being careful. And yeah, that is the lay. That's the lay of the land for me for today. So looking for short opportunities. We'll see if they provide them. See, we just reacted to the quarter level of that wick. Here, just took out buy side as well. All right, and we just took out this buy side as well, I believe, or we're close to it.
Knocked on. Not playing. Not playing. No, not playing. I'm not here to play. And don't touch me. No, no.
All right, we got about 30 seconds till the market opens, bell open. All right, so we just took out minor buy side. We have our opening range gap, consequent encroachment to the downside. Pre-session 9 a.m. sell side liquidity, and our Asia session low, which is our target for the day. Looking at SMT, got Dow opening lower, ES and NQ going higher. Right. Another bull liquidity, and another bull liquidity has been, so a lot of buy side just been swept. I don't think there's any more highs that's like relevant at the moment. Yeah, so if we keep going up higher, there ain't nothing really to hit besides up here, just high up here. I don't believe we're gonna go up. What's that, 760? That's only another 100 points or so. Let's see if we keep this fair value gap open for the next 10 seconds.
What is good, family?
All right, so far off the open, we just straight up. Let's give the opening range some time to see what it wants to do. We still have Dow going lower. So market's not in sync. ES and NQ's taking off. All right, we're approaching the low of the daily volume imbalance. All right, so we have a bunch of fair value gaps. Price has only been one-sided since bell open. Haven't really had any balancing going on. So we just tapped into the volume imbalance on the daily chart right here. Tapped into that. Let's see how we react off of this.
$50. Like it won't nothing. I wish St. always came off that easy. Coming from somebody who thinks stars, trust me, it's not always that easy. Yeah, that's me. Thank you so much, man. Hey, I'm so sorry I didn't have enough money for a tip, but I mean, who's this? That's your boy? So you just got full custody today? Okay, let me set these down. How many deliveries do you do? Yeah. Versus Terrence. Isn't it public information? Okay, so he earned around $300,000. Well, then we can pay it. We can 100% pay it.
All right, let's see if we start to break down here. All right, so we got pretty market is moving right now. So we got strong displacement to the upside, followed by strong displacement to the downside. Don't know how I feel about this. I'd rather see more clean price action than straight up, straight down. But we got in at a pretty nice level. So I was looking at pyramid, but we're just going straight down. If you get a pullback, I'll look the pyramid sign up. All right, looks like we just falling off the bed. That's why I just added it. I wanted to wait to get a pullback, but I seen Dow. I seen Dow just falling out the bed, so I'm like, all right, let me just get in. We still got a pretty good average. I'm not getting in again unless we get a pullback. Like we just come straight down, we just come straight down, fuck it. But I'm trying to avoid getting in shorts as prices going down. Like I like to get in that's going up. All right, so we just tapped into this fair value gap. I missed the opportunity to get in. But ideally, I have a pyramid right here. I just missed it. I was looking at Dow and ES just to see. Um, but all right, taking a partial just to secure something. Stop rest of it at break even. Going for these. Hold it to here. Um, all right, I closed the trade. I have seen the market is pretty volatile right now, and I seen Dow. I'm just watching closely. We start to slow up on ES and Dow, so I want to make sure I can get good profits. See where we're at. Right. So it came like a point away from a few points away from taking out the sell side, which we're about to clear now. All right, so 516, pretty chill for the day. All right, sell side was taken. Let's see the executions. executions could have been better. But you know, we got in on the close of this candle right here. First entry. I wanted to see a pullback to get in a little higher. So this entry kind of messed things up a little bit. I wanted to get in for a third contract right here. I missed it. And yeah, so if I would have got in for the third contract, I could have held the runner. Wanted to secure something right here. And then yeah, so we basically closed out our whole trade right about here. So we missed out this last little piece and the sell side over here as well. And who knows how far NASDAQ is gonna want to run now. So oh, shit. And there's sell side. All right, that's gonna be the day. I really don't even feel like watching the market anymore. So I'm about to go about my day, quick and easy. Um, only thing I wish I did better was holding to the full target instead of getting out right here. So I missed out on about 46 points. No, 70. But way to end the Friday. That's gonna do it for the week. We're closing our RTH gap. But see y'all next week.